Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 1.11 from Fundamental of Electric Circuits by Alexandra and Sadiko. The question is a rechargeable flashlight battery is capable of delivering 90 milliampere for about 12 hours. How much charge can it release at that rate? Its terminal voltage if the terminal voltage is 1.5 volt, how much energy can the battery deliver? It is a simple question where there is no rocket science. The question is just demanding to find a charge and the energy. And we know the formulas of energy and charge, then we put the values on these formulas to find a charge and energy. First of all, we have to make a data what are given and what are not. Then here the current of a battery which it will deliver, which is 90 milliampere, and time for what the battery will continue to provide the power, which is at 12 hours, and the terminal voltages V terminals are 1.5 volt, and we have to find the charge Q at that rate and energy which the battery will provide for a particular time. Okay, we know the formula of current, which is I is equals to Q over T, and in this question the question is demanding to find a charge, which we can use the same equation like that, I multiplied by T, the current for a particular time, which is 12 hours. We just put the values. Q is equals to I is 90 multiplied 10 to the power minus 3, means 90 milliampere, and then 12 hours we will convert it into seconds, then 12 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60, then we get Q is equals to 3.888 kilocoulomb. It means the battery which is delivering 90 milliamperes for 12 hours, in this particular time the battery will deliver 3.888 kilocoulombs to a particular object which is running on a battery. Then the second option, second demand of the question was to find energy. We know energy, the formula E is equals to P multiplied by T, means power with respect to time is called energy. We have learned it in the last lectures of theory lectures. It is a series of a solution manual, but we have learned what is energy, what is current, what is charge, and etc. all things in last lectures, theory lectures. Then we know P is equals to IV. Then we can put the value of P in the equation, means I, V and T, and we know that I of T means this value, Q is equals to I multiplied by T. Then we can write the same equation as Q. We have a value of voltage which is 1.5, it is given in an equation which is 1.5 volt, and the value of charge which we have found already, 888 coulomb, then means kilocoulomb. Then we get the value of energy is equals to 5.832 kilojoule. It means in the question we have learned that if there is a battery of 90 milliampere and which is continuously providing a power for 12 hours, then it will deliver 5.832 kilojoules of energy to a particular appliance, and it will deliver 388 kilocoulombs for particular object. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.